Hello everyone, my name is Sammy and welcome. And if you are new here or don't know, hello, welcome to all. This is a judgment-free zone. This is a nice place. We're gonna hang, we're gonna chill. So this is basically a little trailer, I guess, as to what my channel is. So, hello, I find myself a bit of a nerd. I'm also an artist. So, my channel will be that. It will be random stuff. Some days I'll post projects, when I have a sewing machine. And some days I will post show and tells and I'll just show you some random stuff or the new things that I got. I have a couple of those potentially coming up maybe in the next couple of months if it comes in, maybe. And then some days we'll see what happens. So I just wanted to share with you what kind of stuff you'll find here. So if you want to stick around, I would enjoy that and appreciate that greatly. If you want to subscribe or like the video, I would also appreciate, and it helps me a lot. But basically, I just want everyone to come here to have a good time, to smile, and just maybe share common interests. Or leave me your feedback. And if you think I made a complete fool of myself, tell me. Write it down below. Basically though, I just want this to be a fun place where I can share whatever I want to, basically. I can share projects that I think look really cool, or maybe projects that didn't go so well, because sometimes there's some of those. And I could just, share my excitement if I got something cool, or, we can just all share a common interests, or I'll just have fun here, and we will get through this world together. So, if that was a bit rambly and random, that's what you'll find here. So, okay, thank you so much for watching. Please, if you want to, like and subscribe. It helps me a bunch and I really appreciate it. And stick around. So I'll see you next time. Bye!